A silent war is raging in the world of technology. But this battle isn't fought with bullets. It's fought with silicon and artificial intelligence. The prize? A $10 billion AI chip empire that could determine the future of supercomputing and global power. In one corner, NVIDIA, the undisputed king of AI chips, dominating the industry with its powerful GPUs. In another, AMD, an underdog now rising as a serious challenger. And then, there's China's Lunxin, a dark horse in the race, determined to break free from Western technology. This is about control over the future of AI itself. The AI giant. NVIDIA is the titan of AI chips. Its GPUs power everything from ChatGPT to self-driving cars. The company has been untouchable for years. Until now. But with power comes enemies. Countries like China are racing to build their own AI chip industries. And the US government is watching closely. AMD, the challenger. While NVIDIA reigns supreme, AMD has been quietly gaining ground. With its latest AI-focused processors, AMD is threatening NVIDIA's dominance. Could AMD steal the crown? Or is it too late? China's Lunxin, the wild card, China's homegrown chipmaker. Its mission? To break free from US technology and sanctions. But there's a problem. China's chip industry is years behind. Can Lunxin catch up? Or will the US keep China locked out of the AI race? The future, who will win? This battle is far from over. The AI chip war will decide who controls the next generation of technology. And maybe, the world itself. Who do you think will win?